Any news regarding commencement of class? Because still we didn't get any
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವ್
information.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ they'll put question mark. That is right.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ October 1st, if classes, if they might not start theory classes, they might start lab sessions. Still we don't have any confirmation. Just for your information I'm telling, it is not officially, just simply I'm telling, maybe the labs they are going to start. We don't know about the classes. Yes, students, in last class we were discussing about the next date function. Yes, students, in next date function we have three conditions. See, student, this problem is very simple. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. In the first, in this chapter, in this module, this is the second problem statement we are seeing. The first problem statement, a triangle problem. Correct? No, the triangle problem is we have seen. So, see, student, you observe the complexity between that problem and this problem. How it is? There the complexity was more, or here the complexity is more? Yes. Here the complexity is more, no, compared to the last problem. There just we were having only three sides using some formula. Using some formula, our aim was to find out whether the triangle is equilateral, scale-in, isosceles, or whether it is triangle or not. We just want to the logic. If you observe the logic between that problem and this problem, it was not tough in that case. But in the second problem statement, if you observe, the complexity of the problem is increasing. Correct, no, students? Yes, no? The complexity of the problem is increasing. Here, the three condition given in this problem is the month should be from 1 to 12 only. The month should be it should not be less than 1, it should not be more than 12, because in a year we have only 12 months, and the days should be 1 to 31 only, because in a month we have only up to 31 days. In some months we have 30 days, and in some months we have 31 days, and in few months we have 20. In 1 month, if it is a leap year, in February we'll get 29 days. If it's not a leap year, we get 28 days. But those days are within this condition only, no? Those days are within this condition only. And year, you can take any year, but here I have taken for my problem solution, the year I have taken 1812 to 2012. So this is the condition I have taken to solve the problem. Yes, students, that day, in last class I was tracing day. Yes, students, days I am representing with day, month I am representing with M, and year I am representing with Y. Yes, students, all of you are listening. I told now in next class I'll trace this program. Yeah. Please respond. Somebody respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, student, in a month, you have 30. You can see my face now, students. You can see my face now. In our childhood, what we used to do is, can you see my hand? Yes, can you see my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, you can see this up, no? This is January. This is down is February. Next March, April, May, June, July. You're observing, no, how I am showing the up one: January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So wherever that up comes, no, so the number of days is 31. You observe. Other than February, wherever that down is coming, there the number of days is 30. Wherever this up is coming, the number of days are 31 days. Getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ
Yes,
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See,
Getting.
January 31, next down, February, it is not 30, but it is 28 days. Next March, 31, next down. See, this is a simple logic. Down is April, May, June, July. July is the end. July is the end. Next again we'll come back to the 1st August, September. That is why in last class I told here both the months June and July and August we have taken for 31 days. We have taken for 31 days. So students, just this is a simple logic which I have shown using the fingers. Wherever the up is coming, there the number of days is 31. Where the down is coming, there the number of days are 30 days. So here, so take months. So in a month we have.
Ma'am, can you change the color yellow to black?
Color.
Yeah.
Is it fine? This color is fine?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, students, days, month, year I have taken, 3 variables I have taken. Now, one, two, up to 31 days. Yes. Month 1, 2, up to 12 days. Again, in month, you may have 31 days in a month, or you may have 30 days in a month. Correct, na students? There are 2 possibilities. In a month, you may have 31 days and you may have 30 days. And if it is a leap year, in the month of February, we have 29 days. If it is not a leap year, in the month of February, we have 20 days. Is clear with this? These basic conditions. The initial conditions are clear. Yes, students, the initial conditions are clear. Now, what we have, according to our logic, yes, in last class we were seeing this. So here, in last class we were seeing this. If day is less than 31, yes, students, why we have taken only these months? Why we have taken only these months? Because this case is for 31 days month. This case is for 31 days month. In which all the months we have 31 days, we have taken only this, except excluding December. Why excluding December? I'll tell in the next lines. Why excluding December? I'll tell in the next lines. But here we have taken only 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 10. Only these we have taken. So here, students, see here, if day will be taken from the keyword, from the user. From the keyboard, we take day. If day value is 1, it is less than 31. Correct, no? If day value is if day value is 3, assume that day value is 3. So 3 is less than 31, condition is true. Yes, students? Condition is true or not? Respond. If you respond only, then I'll understand whether you are understanding or not. If you don't respond, then what I'll understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here. According to this, day value is how much now? 3. Yes, 3 is less than 31. Condition is true. Yes, condition is true. Now, day tomorrow will be, day tomorrow means today is, assume that today date is 3rd. Today date is 3rd. Day tomorrow will be, day tomorrow will, what will be the day tomorrow? 4, no? Correct, no, students? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇಟ್ 3rd ಅಂತ. If this condition is true, then tomorrow date will be what? Tomorrow date will be what? 4, no? Yes, students, please respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Tomorrow date will be 4. If this condition is false, yes. If when the condition becomes false, students, when the condition becomes false, when day value is 32. Yes, if it is below 31, then condition will be true only. If the day value is 32, then the condition will be false. Correct, no? If D is equal to 32, if D is equal to 32, then the condition becomes false, no? Correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have any month with the days 32? Do we have any month with the days 32? No, we don't have any month's day which is having the days 32. If it is a 32nd day, if it is a 32 day, then we have to understand this is the next month date. Correct, no? Yes, students? Understanding? Yes. If this condition is true, if my given day is less than 31, then it is, then the tomorrow day will be day plus 1. Else if the condition is false, then what happened? Then month will be incremented. Month will be incremented. If you are taking first month 32nd day, if you are taking January month 32nd day, then in January we don't have 32nd day. Why? Because in January we have only 31 days. We don't have 32nd day. If we get a 32nd day, then we have to understand it is a tomorrow month. Tomorrow month means what? It is next month. See, students, tomorrow day is nothing but a next day. Tomorrow month is nothing but a next month. Understanding? Is Rashmi? Rashmi? Are you there, Rashmi? Deepika M, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Murli?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt you can ask students. See, students, it is a simple logic. Here what we are doing is we are segregating the months in 3 categories. Three categories, that is 31 days, 30 days and 28 or 29 days. If it is a leap year, then 29 days. If it is not a leap year, then it is a 28 days only for February. Only for February, not for the other months. For other months, we have divided the days 30 and 31 days. If we have, according to our logic, if we have the number of days less than 31, then the tomorrow day will be the date will be incremented. The day will be incremented. If the condition becomes false, when the condition becomes false, when the day value is more than 31. When day value is more than 31, then the condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, then the month will be incremented. Yes, students? Srinivas? Sunil?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now clear, Srinivas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ಒಂದು 2,000 3,000 ಸೌಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸುನಿಲ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
okay okay the same thing is for next case. In the next case what we are taking the months with the 30 days. We are taking a months with the 30 days, that is April, June, September, November. April, June, September, November. So in these months, the number of days will be 30. The number of days will be 30. And here, if day is less than 30, yes, condition is true. Day is less than 30, condition is true. If you take day as 5, day value I'll take 5. So 5 is less than 30. Then tomorrow day means what? Next day. So that will be incremented. This will be incremented. So day will become 6. Day will become 6. Now, if this condition becomes false, again the month value will be incremented. The suppose April month I have taken, then the month will be now May, because the condition becomes false if you take 31 day. When the condition becomes false, if you take 31 days. Next students, why I have not taken December is, though in the month of December we have 31 days, if we have 32 days, if we increment, if this condition becomes false, when this condition becomes false, when the next day will add to this day variable, only then the condition will becomes false. When this 31 will be incremented to 32, then it is a next year. Then we have to understand there is a end of 2012, the new year is going to begin. That is year will be year plus 1. Students, understood? Clear? Why I have not taken 31 there? Yes, students? Artha aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Yes. Coming to the next condition, here February. If it is in the month of February, if I have 28 days, then the month will be, if this condition becomes true, then the day value will be incremented. Now the day value will become how much? 29, no? Yes, students, the day value will become 29, no? If this condition is true. Then this tomorrow day value will become 29. Getting students? Tomorrow day value will become 29. Else, if day is equal to 28, year is a leap year. See here, if this condition becomes false, yes, students, see here carefully. Sorry, not false. If this condition becomes true, then the day value will be incremented by 1. Tomorrow day value will be incremented by 1. Then tomorrow day value will be how much? 29. Correct, no, students? Yes. Tomorrow day value will be 29. Now, if day value is 28, then it is not a leap year. Year is not a leap year. If day value will be 29, then the tomorrow day will be a leap year. Getting, students? Understood? Clear? Yes, students, here we are checking is the year is leap year. If the day value is 28, then the year is not a leap year. Then tomorrow day value will be 1. Tomorrow day value will be assigned to 1, and tomorrow month value will be assigned to 3. Means the meaning is third month, first day. Yes, getting? Third month, first day. If the day value is 29, then the given year is leap year, and tomorrow day value is 1. And tomorrow month value is 3. Yes, students, understood? Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
See, don't get confused, students. Here just we are checking whether it is a leap year or not. That is one condition, and we are checking whether this month has 30 days or 31 days. If your day value is less than 31, only for few months, not for all the months, only for January, March, May, July, August, October, only for these months, if the day value is more than 31, then the month value will be incremented, and tomorrow day value will be 1. The meaning of these two lines is first day of next month. Correct? No? Correct, no, students? First day of next month. And same thing for 30 days months, 4, 6, 9, 11. These 3 months, 4, 6 antandre yavadu? April, June, September, November. So these months will be having 30 days. So if this condition becomes true, then day tomorrow will be incremented, and if this condition becomes false, then tomorrow day will be assigned to 1. What is the meaning of tomorrow day value will be assigned to 1? Means now this is the first day of next month. Why next month? The month will be incremented. So though the December month has 31 days, we have not taken for next month case. We have taken for next year case. In the month of December, if we have more than 31 days, then it is a next year. Year will be incremented. Then 2013 will be the next year. This condition we have taken for 2012. If the number of days are more than 31 days in the year 2012, then the year will be incremented. Yes, students, understood? Clear? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? This extra slide I have taken just for tracing. Yes, students, if you observe the complexity between the last problem and this problem. Last problem is triangle problem, and this problem is next day problem. Where is the complexity more? Where is the complexity more? Yes. Where is the complexity more, students? In the last problem or in this problem? Respond. Here the complexity is more. Okay. Next we have commission problem. So this is a third problem in this module, and here we are taking the example of a commercial computing. What is the meaning of commercial computing? a problem which is related to business. A problem which is related to business, that is a commercial computing. And here it contains a mixed computation of it contains mix of computation. Computation is nothing but the calculation, decision making. Here we are doing calculation and here we are doing decision making. Compared to the when we compare compared to the previous two problems, here the complexity is more. Yes, students, compared to the previous two problems, here the complexity is more. Here we are doing computation, means calculation, and we also do the decision making. Yes, students, 2 minutes time I'll give. Read out this problem statement and tell me what you are understanding by this problem statement. Yes, students, 2 minutes time I'll give. Read out the problem statement. Yes, listening all of you. Read the problem statement. ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, all of you are reading the problem statement. Students, read the problem statement, student.
Ma'am, it's not
One nimsha. I was checking whether all the students are there. Yes, understood the problem statement, students? So here, what is the problem statement is, a rifle salesperson in the former Arizona territory sold a rifle locks, stocks and barrels made by Gunsmith in Missouri. So here, as a person is going to sell, the product, which are the products, locks, stocks and the barrels made by Gunsmith in Missouri. So in Missouri they have produced these products, and the cost of lock is $45 and the cost of stocks are $30 and the cost of barrel is $25. And they have appointed a salesperson to sell these products. They have appointed the salesperson to sell this product, and the price of each product they have assigned, that is locks for $45, stocks $30 and barrel $25. And what they have told is, after each in a month the sale of lock should be 70 and sale of stock is 80 and the sale of barrel is 90. So this should be the sale. And after each, assume that today if the salesperson visit to Dodbalapura, then he has to report, he has to send a telegram that this, I have visited this town and I have sold these many stocks, these many barrels and these many logs. Every day he has to send a telegram to the owner. To that owner, he has to send a telegram, and he is giving a commission also. He is giving a extra incentive also for 10% extra, 10% sales is $1,000, 50% is on, next 15% extra sale is $800, and 20% extra sale is $1,800. So these are all the commission which they get after the sale. So this is the problem, students. Yes, the problem is clear, students. Yes, students, if the problem is clear. See, one person is there. A person, he is producing or he is manufacturing some products, that is logs, stocks and barrels, and the cost of logs is 45 rupees. The cost of stocks is $45, and the cost of stocks is $30, and the cost of barrel is $25. So that is the price they have fixed. And after each sale, the salesperson has to report to his owner. He has to report the owner, and in a month, the maximum limit this is the target which has given to the salesperson. 70 logs, 80 stocks and 90 barrels they have to sell. And after every visit to each town, they have to send a telegram to a owner, and they have to tell how many one log sold, how many logs they sell. No, so everything they have to communicate. They have to send a telegram, and they are also giving a commission to the salesperson. So salesperson, they are giving a commission 10% if they sell, then $1,000, 15% $800, and 20% $1,800. This is a problem statement. Is the problem statement is clear, students? Yes, is the problem statement is clear? Yes, students. Is the problem statement is clear? I am asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Okay. If you don't have any doubt in the problem statement, we'll go to the implementation part. Shall we go to the implementation part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is here. See, students. See the log dim. Why we use dim? Why we use dim? Dim stands for dimension. Dim is used to declare a variable in a Visual Basic. So here logs, stocks, barrels are declared as integer. So log price, stock price and the barrel price declared as real, and total logs, after selling how many total logs, total stocks and total barrels are declared as integer, and log sales, stock sales and barrel sales declared as real, and commission sales and commission is declared as real. So this is a declaration part. This is the declaration part, and after declaration, next some of the assignments, assigning the values, because these are all the fixed values. Fixed value in the problem statement only we have these fixed values, that is log price is $45, stock price is $30 and the barrel price is $25, and the values, the total logs value and the total stock value and the total barrel value is assigned to 0. Assigned to 0. See this condition. Logs is equal to -1. See students, when logs value is -1, then it is an indication of there is no any device. There is no any input device. If this condition becomes false, if this condition becomes false, then we should think that there are some products. We have some device. If this condition is true, if this condition is true, then there is no devices. There is no such products. If this condition becomes, that's why while not. That's the reason why while not. Take a input logs, and if this condition becomes false, see first, if you take input logs as 5. Yes, correct, no students? Log value 5 if I take, then this condition will definitely becomes false. Correct? Yes. Is it correct? Respond. Log value and idanta tagoltini. If the log value is -1, then the input device uses -1 to indicate the end of the data. Correct? No. If the log value is -1, then there is no data. There is end of the data. If the input value is 5, I take, this condition will definitely become false. Is it right? Yes, students, tell, is it right? Then take a stock and barrel values. Stock and barrel values. Then if you take each value as 5, then again the total value will also become changed, no? Yes, students, previously the total value is assigned to 0. Total stock, total logs, total barrels value will be assigned to 0. Now logs is 5, stocks is 5, and barrel is 5. Now these value will be changed because 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5. Then total logs is 5 now, total stocks is 5, and total barrel is 5. And here is the display statement. This is the display statement. The logs sold is 5, the stocks sold is 5, and the barrel sold is 5. Coming to the sales. Yes, students, you are understanding? Understanding? Am I fast? Am I fast? Understanding? Any doubt? Please respond, students. Okay. See, log price is how much? Yes, students, log price is how much? $45, no? Correct? Yes, $45. 45 into the total logs. Now, how many logs I have? Oh, sorry, how many logs I have sold? 5 logs. Respond. So, $45 into 5. The total logs sale value is 45 into 5, how much? Yes, Murli, 45 into 5, how much? Murli, are you there, Murli? Arjun? Arjun? Arjun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Artha aagta idiyappa?
Yes, ma'am.
45 into 5, how much?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. 200, 225, ma'am.
225. Now the log sale value is 225. Stock price is $30, Salva. 30 into 5, $150. And the barrel price is how much? Barrel price is how much? $25. 25 into 5. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 125. So $125. So after getting these three values, that is log sale, stock sale, and the barrel sale value, next we will find out the total sale. To find total sale, sales is equal to log sale plus stock sale plus barrel sale. So we'll get a total sale. We'll get a total sale and display the total sale. And if here the commission statement we are saying, if sale is greater than $1,800, if sale is greater than $1,800, then we'll give a commission to the salesperson. That is commission. How much commission? If you are selling more, if you are selling 10%, then $1,000 you get extra. If you are getting After 10% also, extra 15% if you are selling, then again $800 you will get, and still you are selling 20% extra, then sales value minus 1800 into 0.25. So this much is a calculation of commission. If sale value is less than 1000, then this is a calculation of commission. So whatever the calculation the sales persons will get, then that will be displayed here. Yes, students, understood? Clear? Artha aita? All of you understood this commission problem? Yes, students, any doubt you have on commission problem? Respond. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, then we'll go to the SATM system. We'll go to SATM system. Yes, students, I'll stop here. SATM system we'll see in the next class. SATM system we'll see in the next class, and I'll share the assessment link. All of you answer for the assessment, today's assessment. In the chat window, I am sharing the assessment link, students. If it is not opening, please tell me. Is it opening?
Yes, ma'am.
The students, answer for your attendance. Asta,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav,
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Ambrish,
Yes, ma'am.
Anu,
Present, ma'am.
Arbas,
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun,
Present, ma'am.
Ashok,
Present, ma'am.
Benita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavisha,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Devmalu,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika,
Ma'am, Diksha.
Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika M,
Present, ma'am.
Murli,
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai,
Present, ma'am.
Gudia,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Kishore,
Present, ma'am.
Lata,
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha,
Present, ma'am.
Manjunath,
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana,
Yes, ma'am.
Neelanjan, Neelanjan, absent. Neelanjan is not there. Neelanjan, he didn't join.
Ma'am, he is not there, ma'am.
He is not there. Then how come 50 students? Any who joined extra? ಒಂದು ಜಾಯ್ನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀಲಾಂಜನ? I think principal, vice principal sir was there in the class. Okay, that is the extra count. Neelanjan, Nishant,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Maithili,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh,
Present, ma'am.
Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi, Ravi,
Yes, ma'am.
Rizwan,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Savita, Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi, present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vinny.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, students, understood all of you? Any doubt? Any doubt in the problem statements? Okay, students, I'll end the class. We'll see in the next class.
Ma'am.